I'm not sure what is going on. But that, I think, is Oliver. What is he doing? Now, last time I saw him behaving like that, they'd actually caught a pigeon. What has he got? He's actually trying to eat my lights in the garden. My brand new lights, well, they're a week old, but he has decided they are the enemy. And he's actually trying to tear them to pieces. You naughty little boy. Yeah, they're my white plastic mushrooms. And he's decided that they're going to get a good hiding. Thank you very much, a little horror. Took me a while to work out what he had. There are far better things to eat in the garden than my plastic lights, I can assure you, young man. I better throw out some chicken. I can't see the mushroom lights surviving the night.